Hey, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy. I'm shooting this video about Jarvee and the best VPS you can use for Jarvee. VPS is very important to use if you want to run Jarvee, especially if you have a Mac computer, because Jarvee doesn't run on a Mac. But also very important if you close your regular Windows desktop, you also close Jarvee, so no automation there. I'm gonna recommend the VPS that I'm using, that our students are using, and that I have the best results with. That is fast. If it starts to run slow because you are adding Instagram accounts or other social media accounts, you can upgrade your packages within this VPS system without have to start all over, reinstalling Jarvee whatsoever. They can do it on the back end. So that being said, hey, listen carefully and just follow the steps. I'm going to show you exactly how I installed it and how you can run Jarvee. If you hear me say follow liker, forget, sometimes I just misspeak, and it's all about Jarvee. And if you found value, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video here. And if you have any questions about Jarvee, put them here in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer you. If you want to know the specific settings I'm using for Jarvee, hit that video up here and watch it after you finish this one, and really benefit and get the best results out of Jarvee. So let me share my screen here and let's continue. A virtual desktop is just a sort of an app in a cloud, or computer in the cloud. And that means that if you close your own PC or your own laptop, it keeps running. Follow Liker keeps running, and that is what we want. We want to have Follow Liker running 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, so that you don't have to worry about that. So maybe you've already went through this training. You think, hey, this is an update. Correctly, this is an update. We used to run this in Amazon Workspace, but Amazon Workspace, if you run into errors, there's no support, there's no help desk, and you're actually sort of clueless, and you have to upgrade for about $50 or $60 to get support, and that was just a hassle. And we did research and we ended up with this other tool, and it's actually called, let me scroll down, Apps for Rent. And Apps for Rent is a bonus side. It's a lot cheaper as well. They have awesome support. If you see here, you just have to click on live chat, and boom, within 2 minutes you have somebody on the line. It's 24, they even said 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or you can call them on that. But hey, every time I used live chat, I got support immediately. So you do not have to use the Instagram chat group, or you do not have to connect with me to ask. No, you can just do it on your own time. Just hit that live chat and they walk you through, and up till now the support has been phenomenal. So when you look behind this video, you will see a link straight to Apps for Rent. It gives you access to a 15-day trial. Use that link. So in that 15 days you can figure out the things, and you want to be sure of that. So what you want to do, if you click the link below under this video, you end up on this page. You want to go to Virtual Desktop. You go to Virtual Desktop, and then you'll see several, if we get there, you will see several plans. And what I want you to take is just this plan. Dedicated Virtual Desktop Bronze. You have 40 gigabyte disk space. This is perfect. This is the same price, but it's also too little. I've not really dove into that. If you really gonna upscale, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 accounts, Instagram accounts, maybe you're gonna run Instagram accounts for other people, that is also possible. Then you want to upgrade maybe to 65, but I'm running 40 accounts right on 40 gigabyte, and it's running perfectly up to now. If for some reason you need to upgrade because you do not have enough space anymore, you can upgrade. I don't know how you call it, seamlessly. The meaning that you can upgrade without taking Follow Liker off and reinstall everything. Amazon Workspace, if you wanted to upgrade, you had to delete everything, create a new workspace, and you had to install everything again. a lot of work, a lot of hassle, and maybe you have set everything up in Amazon Workspace and you ran into this, you have this experience with errors. I know it's gonna be a little work to take everything up, but it's definitely worth it. It is just very, very easy and user-friendly. This. So you can, it's $24.95 a month. There is a year plan. I would recommend you to just, you know, do it for a year. I mean, we're gonna do this, right? We're gonna build your business. So you want this, you do not want this for a month, but it saves you 10%. So, you know, I think I thought it was worthwhile. So I got the year plan. Let me see. Try risk-free. You just click on that green button. There's the bronze package. I repeat, the bronze package. And here you have to select it again. Sorry. So you take the bronze package. You hit continue. And then, so $24.95 a month or $269 for a whole year. It's up to you. I would recommend to do the year. It just saves you money. Right, so desire username. Hey, I just called it Dirk Muriel, and here again I called it Dirk Muriel. You know, just see what you want to. It's not important. Just give it a name, and then you do not have to do this. You just leave this. I mean, this is extra, but you don't need that. Just this one, so no extra charge. Okay, so we continue. It's really easy, guys, this. So we have to wait, and there it is. So, and then you just check out and you pay the bill. And that is basically this. Then this can take up, you will get an email right away that you paid, and you know that's done. And then it will take up to 2 hours. I was like, hey, why is nothing coming, right? So I immediately started a chat, and they were really helpful and said, no, they have to, they are manually setting your desktop up. So they have to figure out everything. 2 hours. So relax, get some coffee or do some preparation, watch the next video so you prepare, or, you know, watch this to the end and make sure you bought and downloaded follow like, but just keep watching, right? So when you've done that, you will get an email here in your email. This is by Gmail. A little bit up, you'll see, you know, my details, and it's a welcome email. So don't worry, it says welcome, blah blah blah, and all the details are up above here. And then I don't know where you're working on. If you have a Windows computer, it just read what it says. But basically, if you have a Mac, they send you to iTunes. You have to open the App Store. You have to download an app, and then you scroll down. Because this is where I got stuck. Like, hey, now what? So here, Mac devices. Click on these links, and they send you to a menu. Actually, let me click it. Let me see what happens. Yeah, so they send you to, you know, get started with remote desktop and a Mac, and just go through these steps. Quite easy. I have to admit, when I got started, I had an error, but you know, I connected them and they fixed it right away. So don't worry about that. Let me go back to this. So you have this, and you go to the, my computer, you have to open iTunes. They send you to the Apple Store. It is this what you want to look at. View in Mac Store, Mac App Store. Open link. Guys, this is only if you have a Mac. If you have a Windows, it's a lot easier. You create Microsoft Remote Desk. You know, you install. Once you've installed it, you come to, let me see up here. Yeah, right here you come to, I scroll a little bit down, Microsoft Remote Desktop. You click on New, and you fill out these things. So I had a little error, but all these things are in the welcome email, and just fill them out. So, but what they recommended me to do, and just try it really, if it don't work, just chat with them and get with support. But this is basically how you have to do it. Connection name, give it a name, what you prefer, you know. Just I called it Dirk Muriel. Then you'll see in your welcome video, you'll see a IP address. Click, put the IP address in here. You do not have a gateway configured. You do not need it. So it is just like this. Your username, it is in your welcome email. It says username, and it's, in my case, it's yeah, it was Dirk Muriel and then something else / something else. Oh yeah, to domain, and then, but it's just username. So just copy paste it in here, and there's also a password. Copy paste it in here, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You just close it, and then this shows up, and then you double click on this, and then oh, right, it is open. So I can do this, and then you end up here. It looks like this, and it's just a Windows screen. And from there, let me go back to Firefox. So I hope that makes sense. The bronze package, just, you know, wait 2 hours and just follow the steps. If you get stuck in any way, support, chat, they help you out fast. So next thing that we need to do, the thing you're gonna do is you click the link below this video, you come on this page actually, where you can have Jarvee for free. So when you click try Jarvee for free, it needs to think. So as you see, you have starter, you can have 10 accounts. So if you just have 10 accounts, awesome. It's $19.95 a month. Professional 70 accounts is $50 per month, and this is way up. I personally use this one now. I have 45 accounts, and it's great. So then you just click start your free trial. You don't have to do that. You don't have to, just enter your email and confirm your email. And let me see if that is true. Let me do a fake email, or else I get it again. So you just put your email in here and do start free trial. Okay, welcome. So now you go to your email address. But first, the thing you do is you go to your Microsoft Remote Desktop, the apps for rent, and you go there. You just open it up. And I already did this, so this is my I got this email from them. So congratulations becoming a Jarvee member. Your social media marketing is 7 years. So the first thing you're gonna do is here you got your, the email address and your password. You will start a 5-day free trial, and it's payable by PayPal. That is what I know. It won't be billed. And they have a lot of tutorials as well. Their support is really, really fast. So that's help. But the thing you're going to do is you now proceed to download the installer. You go here, and here, I'm not going to explain how to do that. Just, follow all the steps here. You see, it's very clear how everything works. But basically what you're going to do, let me scroll up, is recommended direct download. You do direct download, you go into the maps, and explains this as well. So this one, and it is these two, the Java setup, or the Jarvee, Jarvee, not the Java, the Jarvee setup. But just follow the steps that is here. So you're downloading it, and you double click on it, it starts to run, and it takes you to the setup process. So this is how you get a Jarvee. In the next video, we're gonna open up Jarvee and see what's in there. Okay, see you in the next video.